Hey there guys, this is Coach Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called return the first element in an array. So create a function that takes a vector containing only numbers and return the first element. So as you can see, the name of the function, get first value. This array, its first element is 1, so we return 1. This one, its first element is 80, so we turn 80. And then this one, its first element is negative 500, so we return negative 500. So notes, the first element in an array always has an index of 0. So let's go to the code tab. As you can see, an int function, and inside is the array that we will have to get the first element from. So we can go about this a couple of ways, just so you can understand something. um, let's see, we are going to initialize it to an int, and we're going to name this index. So the first element of the array, the way we find that is we use the index of 0, because every array starts with an index of 0 unless otherwise specified that it wants you to return it as an index array as that starts at 1, but it's always at 0. So int index, and it initialized to 0. So now we return, what we're going to do is return array index, because this right here, putting the index right here, is going to be 0, and this will give us the first element. So let's see if this works. As you can see, it passed all the tests. What we could simply do is just take this off, just put 0 in here, and this is going to work the same way as the one prior. So you can see it worked. Also, what you can do is something to get the first element is we're just going to do array, and then we're going to use front. And this should work again as the two previous ones. As you can see, it worked. And that's how you get the first element in an array. Um, if you want me to continue making more videos, please share, like, and subscribe for more coding solutions. Thank you.